Hey everybody, this is MadPanda Games here, and today we're going to be tackling another part of Mad Father. So let's get started, guys. Now, this is the one, I believe. Now, we just managed to get the missing ladder piece to the ladder in the attic, so now we can go up there. So let's do this. Ooh, something shiny! Something shiny. What? Why, can I? Okay, something shiny in the barrel. Can I not get it? Oh! Why do I need this? Why do I need this? Is it something to get up there? Nope. What is it? Okay, that's just what the barrel is. Okay, so I can't really do anything here yet. Wonder what that's for. Does it reset? Okay, it does reset. What happens if I push it? Yeah! Haha! When in doubt, break things! What is it? This is... What? Oh, I have a chainsaw? Okay, can normally be equipped. When equipped, special key is C or shift, and confirm is Z, enter space. Already knew that. Okay, press the confirm key. Certain objects, barrels, and crates can be destroyed this way. It cannot be used to attack enemies. Be aware that you can't open the menu or check objects with the chainsaw out. Okay, so special key is C. Ah, how nostalgic. I remember Father scolding me for playing with this once. Why is it still here? Why do we have a chainsaw in the first place? So many questions. Why am I playing? I'm a deranged child. What the hell? Aya, what are you doing swinging that thing around? Sorry. This is no toy. It's a very dangerous tool. It's just weird. Understood? Never play with anything like this again. Sorry, Father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought I put this away somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this, Aya? Sorry. I'm sorry, Father. Did we steal it or something? Okay, can we use this chainsaw now? I'm gonna see if I can get this barrel. Okay. And then... Oh, it's this barrel. Aha! Something shiny! A gem! Now let's break everything in my path! Because I'm a deranged lunatic! Okay. I feel pleased with myself. I just gotta destroy everything. Okay. To be honest, I can't remember where I came from. No, not the bedroom. What? It felt like something grabbed my leg. Oh, no! No! Oh, gosh, no! I'm going to get dragged away! Oh. Okay. I can do this. Okay. 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 I can do this! Yeah! I almost died. Okay. I almost died, but it's okay. I made it. Woohoo! Let's just continue on. Where was that room? Something shiny! Huh? There's something here. A pendant. Okay. Let's save. That was where that girl was that we, basically punched in the face. Okay, so that's not where we came from. I came from somewhere. And I'm sure I'll find it somewhere. Nah, not here. Yeah, move. Wait, no, this was the doll room. So it wasn't over here. Hold on, it had to be downstairs. Yeah. Was it here? Reception room. No, that was outside. Oh, that was the bathroom. Nah, I don't really care enough. I think it was the cafeteria. That was not here before. Welcome home, lady. Okay, so they all say the same thing. What? That lady's arm just fell off. I know, welcome home. I'm just gonna go. Oh no. I'm just gonna continue on. Just gonna go down here. Oh wait, I want to see. Can I destroy this? No. Okay, so I can't. Okay. A wooden barricade blocks the way. Huh. Okay, let's go this way. Can I destroy it? No, can't destroy it. Oh yeah, there's that old man. But there's something shiny. Arr! Ha 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 ha. Destroy everything in your path, Aya. Chainsaw girl. And it's a gem. Okay, so let's just continue going. Oh yeah, this is all the bodies. Oh yeah. Hey, is Maria okay? Just wondering. No, I didn't. Okay. She's still passed out? There's something by her feet. A room key? Huh. Okay, so where was this before? Where was this again? Oh, okay, so I know where I am. Okay, so let's go back. Wait, let's save first. Okay. You know what? First, let's go see... No, not the chainsaw. I need to go see... Let's go look at all the stuff that was locked first. Like, there's that room in the archives that was locked. They're gone. They're gone. All the monsters are suddenly gone. Wasn't in there. It was over here. Okay. That person looks so sad. Okay. Let's go follow him, I guess. What? Oh, no. Screw it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, okay. I think he was trying to say something. Yeah, the room key. Okay, so this is where it is. Huh. What's this? Found a diary. Is this Maria's room? Could this be Maria's diary? Let's read it. Let's invade her privacy. Doctor, it has been a year to the day since I came to this mansion. I will never forget that day. Aw, we're on the streets. That's sad. And everyone's just ignoring us. Please, food. Give me food. Aw. Somebody. Food. Somebody. Oh, that's sad. A vagrant? She could be a fine subject with some work. It's pitiable to see one so skinny. Come to my home, please. I'll give you clothes and delicious meals. Aw, I understand why she's, indebted to him. So much food for her. He took her off the streets, gave her a home. She would never betray him. Huh. Okay. Oh. Stay here for a little while. He locked her up. I'll go tell my family about you. Family? I have a wife and a daughter turning 7. I'm sure they would welcome you. Family. Okay. Was this person taken in like I was? What awful injuries. It must hurt. Perhaps I could do something. Oh, so this is how she gets useful. Okay, so she's helping them. My skirt won't be enough cloth. But the only other clean cloth I have is... Is what? Aw, she's helping them. This is a surprise. Coming from the brink of death, he made a significant recovery overnight. It seems he was given excellent treatment. Oh, so now I understand why she's so useful. Did you treat him? Yes. How handy. You're exceptionally talented. Oh, she's naked. Oh, no. Oh, no. Please, It'd be awful to let such talent go to waste. What's your name? I am... Maria. Maria, An appropriate name. Maria, would you be my assistant? Oh? I do not wish to lose you. Please, stay with me. Aw. Well, will you entrust me with the rest of your life? That sounds dangerous. Yes. But I understand why she would do that for him. Huh. I was so happy. So happy you had saved me. I was alone, but you made me needed. You gave me love. As long as I am needed, I will stay with you. How would I live without you? I love you, Doctor. Aw. He really humanizes her a lot more. An achievement unlocked, Maria. Oh. I never really knew anything about Maria after all. Maria must really love Father, too. Okay, anything else? Nope, nothing there. Nope, okay. Let's go back. Wait, let's save first. I've learned to definitely save. Or else I will get taken back very far. Okay. Let's go back there. Yay, all the monsters are gone. Wait, can I leave? Please? No, I'm not allowed to leave. Damn it. Okay. Let's just go. Yep, got rid of that thing. To the laboratory. Can I speak to Maria again? She's fainted. Nope, can't speak to Maria. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go after Father. And let's go see our mom. Let's do this! Yeah, I know that guy just mumbles to himself. And that... Can I use a... Yeah! Aha! I'm learning! Okay, can I go in here? What is this place? Oh, there's a person. It's locked from the inside. Okay. Can't see! Can't see! Can't see anything! That man took away my eyes! Uh-oh. Hey, wait a minute. We have a jar of eyes. Looking for eyes? Maybe. I have some eyes here. Are these yours? Huh. I don't think she can hear me. What is this? Won't open. The door is firmly shut. Okay. Why do I feel as if I know what to do? Wait a minute. Oh, no. No. Okay, something's happened. Hold on. Something's happening with the controls. I don't know what's happening. Why am I going? No, I can't leave. Help me. What the hell? Something's going on with the controls. I need help. Help, I'm in danger. No, damn it. A situation. No, there's something shiny there. Okay, it's been completely devoured. Okay, it's fixed. Oh, thank gosh. I was like, what the hell is happening? Wait. Wait a minute, I heard a voice. I heard the voice in the, yeah, the changing room with the fire. No, not that. It's the reception room, It's not over there, it's back down there. It's not the cafeteria. It has to be over here. I think it's over here. Uh-oh, what the hell? That was a face. That was a face. That was a face. This is too much for me. This is why I don't like horror games, but I like this game. Flames burn fiercely, huh? I thought I heard a voice from the fireplace. Maybe it's just me. I think I have to get rid of the fire. Wait. This is the well, right? No. Is there a well? No. There's water. There's a bucket with a hole in it, though. Yeah, there was a bucket. Where was there? I think I saw a bucket. Okay. Nope, this is still the same. This room's pretty useless. Okay. Well, I know there was scary stuff happening with dolls, so I guess I'll go over there. Yeah, I know, run away. There's creepy dolls happening. Yeah, gorgeous. Did something happen? I heard something. No, nothing's changed in here. No, the archives, that's where Maria's room is. Okay. This was the bedroom. Nursery, there's nothing in here. Can I take Snowball with me again? Snowball is relaxing. Well, you're useless, Snowball. Thank you for your duty and everything, but you know. Let's see, over here. I think I have to find a way to put the water out. Did I remember something? No, I destroyed everything up here. Okay. Okay. Let's go downstairs. Cafeteria. Maybe I should wander? No, there's... Nope. Ew. Yeah, you know, welcome home, Lee. Where's the other one? There's a missing doll woman creature. Very scary. Very scary. Very scary. Do not... Can I destroy these? No, that's Snowball. That's disgusting. Whatever it is. Okay, so that's where the eye girl is. Can I destroy things? No, I already destroyed all that. Nope, okay. What was over here? This is where the bodies were. Yeah. Anything? Let's go in here. I can't remember what's in here. Oh, this was where the eye place was. Yeah, strange fools for experiment. Oh, yeah, nope. Just gonna... Bucket? Yes, there it is. No, wrong way. Back out. Okay. Gotta get the... Okay, the wood bucket. Let's go to the water. And then... Let us... Where is it? Yeah, that was with the changing room. It was over here. It's down here. Not the changing room, the reception room. And maybe we can fill the water up. The bucket and put the fire out. That would probably finally provide a use for why this place is even here. Yep, pond's full of water. There it is. Yeah, there it is. Yep, got some water. Ah, I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Why? Water isn't... Well, actually, water is kind of heavy. Okay, I rescind that fact. Okay. There it is. Yeah. Yes, let's put out the fire. And I believe now there's eyes. Can I get this to that girl somehow? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I can go in? Yeah, let's go in. Okay. You hear a girl weeping from the hole. I've heard this crying. So this hole goes down to that place underground. Let's throw the eyes in. If this goes down into her room, I could give her these eyeballs. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, I have to select it, my bad. Let's do this. Yeah! Yeah! The girl's crying stopped. Okay, let's go back outside. I want to save. Then I'm going to go see what that... I want to see the girl. And then, after that, I think I'll save it for the next episode. What? Why was there music playing? I'm concerned. Let's just go this way. Just gonna go down into the storehouse all the way to Father's room. Well, actually, no, because it's right there. Let's give her the... Let's go talk to her. Yeah! Achievement unlocked! I found my eyes! Yeah! Woohoo! Yay! Yay! I can see! I can see! Yay! Good for her! So, thank you! Aw, and what'd we get? What'd we get? A gem! Okay. There's a switch. What? Oh, the door's unlocked now. Interesting. Wait, oh my, what? There's a guillotine in here. What the hell? This is not medieval times. You know what? I should not be surprised. I should not be surprised at all. Okay, so I'm going to save here. Ta-da! And then I guess I will go into the mysterious door the next episode. So this is MadPanda signing out. If you like my content and you want to see more content like this, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Once again, this is MadPanda signing out. See you later, guys.